I'm rushing today, wow. Hasib.
How are you, mate?
I'm great, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Just going to Southern Cross.
Yeah.
So I think we're fine on time, but the only stressful thing is that this train station's massive and there's multiple different types of trains, and I'm not really sure where my train boards, and I have like maybe 7 minutes to find it before it leaves and hopefully get a coffee. This is gonna be interesting. Shukriya, shukriya. Regional trains, I think that's me. W.H. Smith, lots of trains. It's like I'm in London. 3 minutes, baby, that's all I got. And I don't see the train. I actually might be in trouble here, but we're gonna make it. I just have a feeling. Okay, cool, thank you so much. Can I just get a coffee?
Milk and sugar?
No thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, so I made it on the train, which is great news. The kind of unfortunate news is that there's no outlets and this, cool, thank you so much, Jay. Hey, a quick question. So there's no outlets anywhere on the train?
No, there is, but a lot of them don't work, or it fluctuates a lot. So we don't recommend charging anything because sometimes it can fry phones and stuff.
So yeah, there you heard it. There's no power ports and there's no Wi-Fi. I expected that. It's fine. It's kind of nice to have no Wi-Fi for a little bit. But all my devices will for sure die because I have some editing to do. So might be just a lot of reading. Yeah, that's the update. Here's my coffee. So we're about halfway. We're at Wagga Wagga is the name of the town. It's been such a pleasant train ride. Aussies are so nice. They have the best energy. It's been nice to just look out the window and watch the countryside pass and read my book and listen to music. So it's been pretty chill. I've definitely enjoyed it. I figure now is a good time for a tour of the rest of the train. So let me show you what it looks like. So this is like their buffet car. They have snacks and food for purchase on board. And this is the economy class. Honestly, not much different at all. It's just less legroom. That's it. Pretty big bathroom, and it's pretty clean too, which is good. Definitely cleaner than Amtrak, that's for sure. Also, there's no complimentary meal service with the first class ticket, but you can order a hot meal, and then it takes an hour for it to be ready. So that's the meal situation. Made it to New South Wales, and we have 5 hours left.
because I'm not a good sleeper and I can't really sleep in any sort of upright seating situation, I'm just really tired. The novelty's kind of gone, but the views are still good. And we're like 75% of the way there, so it's not that bad.
Man in the crowd on the floor. Out of town, never saw her before. Told her, baby, we don't got that long. Listen, this not my city show, but I treat it like my city show. 20 more minutes until I'm on. 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 20 more minutes until I'm on.
11 and a half hours later, we're in Sydney. For the first class fare, I paid $101. The base fare was like $80, so I would definitely pay the extra $21 just so you have more legroom. And as for whether or not you should take that or fly, definitely just fly. Unless you really like taking trains like I do. I actually really enjoyed the trip, but you know, no Wi-Fi, no power sockets, no complimentary meals. So just something to be mindful of. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go find my hostel and edit for a couple hours and then go to bed. See you in the next video.
Left her man in the crowd on the floor. Out of town, never saw her before. Told her, baby, we don't got that long. Listen, this not my city show, but I treat it like my city show. 20 more minutes until I'm on. 20 more minutes until I'm on. 20 more minutes until I'm on. 20 more minutes until I'm on.